now we're going to move on to a concept that we talked about last week, okay? So we were all introduced to Al the hungry alligator. Say hi, Al the hungry alligator. Who can tell me what is it that Al the hungry alligator likes to chomp, chomp, chomp on? Yes, that's right. Al the hungry alligator likes to chomp, chomp, chomp on the greater number. In other words, the bigger number. Al is super hungry and all he wants to eat is the bigger number, okay? So get comfortable and we're going to show you a little bit of how that looks, okay? Here we go. We have 3 numbers on this side, okay? The first one's the number 5. The second one is the number 10. And then we have the number 7. So 1, 2, 3 numbers, okay? So we're going to look at the number 5 first, okay? I'm going to pick another card here. And we have the number 3. So let's take a look at here. Which of these 2 numbers do we think Al the hungry alligator wants to chomp, chomp, chomp on? Let's take a look. Do we think he wants to eat the number 5? Or does he want to eat the number 3? Which number is bigger? Which one's greater? Do you think 5 is bigger than 3? Which one looks bigger? Which one has more? 5, right? So Al the hungry alligator wants to chomp, chomp, chomp on the number 5. Have here cut out. I'm going to show you a little cutout of a little alligator mouth that we can put in there. There we go. So Al the alligator is going to chomp, chomp, chomp on the number 5. He's going to eat the greater number, okay? So 5 is greater than 3. And that's why Al the alligator is going to eat him, okay? So now we're going to go down to the number 10. 10. And we're going to pull another card over here. What number do we get? That's the number 8. 8. So we have the number 10 and the number 8, right? Which number do you think Al the hungry alligator wants to chomp, chomp, chomp on? What do you say? Do you think he wants to eat the number 10 or does he want to eat the number 8? Which one looks bigger? 8 or 10? What do you think? 10, right? 10 is the greater number, the bigger number. So Al the alligator wants to chomp, chomp, chomp right on the number 10. So I have another little alligator here to show you. Yum, yum, yum. He's going to eat the number 10, right? 10 is greater than 8. That's why the alligator wants to eat it. 10 is bigger than 8. Bigger. He wants to eat the bigger number. Chomp, 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 right? And we have one more. So the last number we're looking at here is the number 7. And now I have another card with a number 2. That's right. So we're going to put that one here. And we're looking at the number 7 and 2. Which of those 2 numbers do you think Al the hungry alligator wants to chomp, chomp, chomp on? What do you think? Do you think he wants to eat the number 7? Or do you think he wants to eat 2? Does he want to eat 7 strawberries or does he want to eat 2 strawberries? He's super hungry. Chomp, chomp, chomp. He wants to eat 7. 7 strawberries because he's super hungry. 2 is not enough for him. So we're going to put it right in there because Al the hungry alligator wants to eat 7, not 2. So 7 is greater than 2, okay? So take a look over here. Our alligator is eating the numbers on this side because the numbers on this side are bigger. They're greater, okay? So we're going to go over one at a time and we're going to say them together. Listen to Mrs. Castillo and then you try it at home, okay? 5 is greater than 3. You try. 5 is greater than 3. That's because 5 is bigger than 3. 5 strawberries is bigger than 3 strawberries, right? That's going to get him full faster. 10 is greater than 8. You try. Good. 10 is greater than 8. 10 strawberries is more than 8 strawberries. He wants the bigger number. He wants to eat the 10 strawberries so he can get nice and full, right? And the last one we have 7 is greater than 2. 7 strawberries is more than 2 strawberries, right? So alligator wants to eat the bigger number. He wants to chomp, chomp, chomp. 7 is greater than 2. You try. Good job. So we know that Al, the super hungry alligator, is only hungry for the bigger number, the greater number, right? So when you're at home, here is what I want you to do. If you have Cheerios for breakfast, put a couple on this side and a couple on that side. Which one is the bigger number? Which one is Al the alligator wants to eat? Or if you're having snack, mommy gave you some blueberries or strawberries, put a little bit on this side and a little bit on that side and say, hey mom, look, Al the hungry alligator is going to eat that greater number, the bigger side, the one that has more. Because that way he'll get nice and full, right? Have fun finding which of those things Al the alligator wants to eat, okay? Because remember, Al the alligator only wants to eat the bigger number. He's super duper hungry. Good job, my friends.